So guys, these are the different crochet patterns, method, technique for now that I know. So if there is more, I find out more, you get. I'm also going to upgrade this video, so you need to stick around, press the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell, very important, so that if there is an upload from me, you will get notified. Okay, so between all these different ventilation methods or patterns, just use the one you want. And this different ventilation method has their own different when you should use it, or when you can use it. Okay, if you want to make afro wig, you can use this afro wig. You can use this too, okay, the single knot or the double knotting. Okay, so you can also use this particular invisible method is when you are crocheting a weave on your client's hair, you get. That's when you are going to use this one, any of these ones, depending on the style and what you want to achieve. Okay, I hope this video is very helpful. Make sure to stick around and turn on your notification bell. Okay, see you in my next one. And make sure to press the like button, please, and drop a comment if you have any video requests. If you have any hair tutorial video request, drop it to the comment section. Okay, see ya.